Thank you for calling CPHM Restaurant. This is Kanda Radio. How may I help you?
I'd like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, who I am speaking to.
Miss Leah Hayasa.
May I spell out your name? Leah Hayasa. Leeahjoyosa. Did I get your name correct, ma'am?
Yes.
May I know your contact details?
0906
0906
353
353
8805.
8805. Thank you, ma'am. Miss Leah Hayasa, should I make your reservation under your name?
Yes.
When do you want your reservation, ma'am? For how many people, ma'am?
For 2,
What time do you want for your reservation is?
6 p.m.
Smoking or non-smoking area?
Smoking area, please.
May I repeat your table reservation?
Yes, please.
You have your table reservation at 6 p.m. today, May 28, 2024. For 2 person, only the non-smoking area under your name is Leah Yosa with a contact number of 0906 353 8805. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Is there anything would you like to request, ma'am?
None.
Miss Leah Hayosa, thank you for patronizing CTHM Restaurant. We're looking forward to welcome you.
Thank you.